This video will discuss the use of the group request form as the most convenient way for groups to submit their interest in volunteering with your organization. You can post this form on your website or send it directly to the groups that are interested in volunteering with you. Once they fill it out, you can follow up with them, quickly create a group in your system, and register them for events. To enable the group request form for your console, click on Edit System Configuration from the main dashboard, and then click on the Group Management Settings heading to expand the section. Scroll down to allow group requests to be submitted online. Set this field to Yes, and in the Name lookup box, search for the name of the administrator or leadership team member that will receive the notification when a new request is submitted. You can then add any instructions for the potential volunteer that is filling out your form in the Group Request Notes instruction field. Underneath that, you can customize 4 of the fields on the form so that you can collect the information that is relevant to your organization. In the text field, enter the question you are asking. In the type field for each question, choose the format that is required in the response to your question. Text or text box, allow the volunteer to enter anything. Text box just has a longer character length. You can choose whether it is optional or required. Selection box will require your group volunteer to choose one response from a predetermined list. You create that list in the Options field, separating each option by a comma. In order for your potential volunteer groups to have access to this form, you'll need to post the link to the form somewhere on your website, or embed it into your website. For more information about how to integrate CERVIS into your website, please refer to the knowledge base article linked in the description. When a new form is submitted, it will be located in the Volunteer Follow-Up section of your system. The icon next to the View Manage Volunteer Follow-Up link under the Volunteer Management section of your main dashboard will flash to notify you that you have a new follow-up to review. In this menu, you can see who submitted the form and the contact information they included. You can review the information from their form in the description column and click the envelope icon to send them an email to coordinate with them. You can also create a group from the follow-up in just a few clicks. Simply click here, and the information from the form will be pre-populated in the Add New Group form, including the person who filled out the form being listed as the primary group contact. Edit any of these fields and click Add Group, and you'll have a new group in your system. This video is one in a series of videos on group management within CERVIS. Follow the link in the description for a playlist of all of the videos.